Well, what are the best exposure settings you need? Should you go for 300 seconds or should you be going for 120 seconds? Should you be going for 100 gain or you should be going for 300 gain? Well, there is a tool in SharpCap that helps you decide that. It gives you optimal exposure, optimal numbers of exposures, and optimal gain and so on, and it tells you exactly what you need to know, and this tool is very optimized, that it measures your sky conditions and tells you what should be a good exposure time for you. So it's called Smart Histogram, and you can find it under Tools and click histogram, and then you click this brain over here, and then you can use that to measure your sky conditions. I've just done a test, and as you can see, according to my sky conditions, the optimal gain is 135. I should be using 135. Exposure should be around 93 seconds, so about 2 minutes or thereabouts, and number of exposures should be 38. I'm targeting Horsehead Nebula, so this is what the setting I've been given for it, which is good because I don't have to get 300-second exposures, because I know now that 93 seconds are enough. Well, to use this tool, Smart Histogram, I think it's a great tool, useful tool. You will need to measure do sensor analysis rather, in SharpCap. That's the only prerequisite for this tool. And after you've done sensor analysis according to SharpCap, then you can just click this button, measure, and then it will tell you what you should be doing. Well, I hope you found this video to be helpful.